prominent autonomous institute in the state of Andhra Pradesh. NAAC A+ accreditation. NBA Tier 1 Institute NIRF ranking under Innovation category, 151 to 300 band. AICTE Idea Lab 1 among 49 institutions in the country. JNT UK recognized research centers. MOUS with industry and foreign universities. Award of Excellence 2023 from Ministry of Education, Government of AP. Awarded as Unique Engineering College for Innovation and Research in AP. Virtusa Center of Excellence in AI, MS and Java. Awarded Best Innovation and Research Engineering Institution by Time Business Awards. Best in Social Services Award, Minister of Social Welfare. Highest number of patents, publications and grants. Best Industrial and Collaborative Curriculum with project, case-based and skill-based learning and course components in the curriculum focusing on fundamental, applied skilling, project, ideation areas. Highly experienced and competent faculty with highest number of PhD qualifications. Prominent placements in software and core companies with the highest packages. Maximum number of industrial paid internships. Highest number of Center of Excellence with modern infrastructure and fully equipped skilling labs. Highest number of merit-based scholarships offered by the institute. Dedicated infrastructure of labs and classrooms for fundamental learning, applied skilling, projects, ideation and entrepreneurship. Industrial Academic Collaborative Centers of Excellence and Product Development Centers. Active involvement of students in projects with research and proven track record of patents and publications. Students are given 360-degree holistic development by balancing co-curricular, extracurricular and life skills along with curriculum. Vibrant campus life. Hygienic hostels for both girls and boys and well-connected transportation facilities. Research projects, ongoing, Rs. 32 lakh. Number of paper publications for a year, 40. Certifications, NPTEL, 100 plus, Microsoft, 100 plus. Good number of placements in various MNCs. Received research grants from various funding agencies. Published nearly 400 research papers, including 31 patents, 4 granted. Students got selected for ATL training program by UNICEF PCDE. World-class state-of-art project laboratories. Faculty with international exposure, faculty with PhDs, 26. DST FIST, 40 lakhs rupees. AICTE Idea Lab, 1.2 crores rupees. Solar power, 300 kilowatts. Industrial and automation, 40 lakhs rupees. Power transmission, 220 kV model, 15 lakhs rupees. Research funding, SERB DST, 25.6 lakhs rupees. Certifications, NPTEL, Microsoft, etc. 4 research laboratories. JNT UK recognized research center. Offering MTech degree with stipend. Offering minor degree in emerging courses. Value-added courses. 40% PhD holders. Opportunities to work on cutting-edge projects. Diverse career paths in project management, consulting and execution. Skills are transferable internationally.